This is the official website of Vray for Sketchup. You can find it simply by googling Vray for Sketchup, and so you can click on the first result that you find in the page. This will bring you in the main page of Vray for Sketchup. But let's do a quick overview of normal Sketchup rendering and render done with the plugin Vray. So as you can see, there are many render engine that you can use for with the Sketchup. For example, you can use Lumion, and you can use T-render. This is another one. So there are many types of render engine, and here is an example. So the difference is it's explicit. You can see the low level of realism in Sketchup and the high level of realism, the photorealism that you can get with Vray. So this is why a lot of people install Vray as a plugin to Sketchup to bring alive something that looks pretty artificial, like the Sketchup view right here. So let's go back to the main site, and you can either try Sketchup. I think you can try it for 45 days or 30 days, something like that. So you can create an account, register and download it, or else you can find it in another way. Anyway, once you have downloaded, you can install it. So this is the icon for the installation file. So you just double click on it and you will see something like this appearing, and this is in Italian, but you just say yes. It's just a notice by the system. Okay, now the X is launched, and we open the Vray for Sketchup installation wizard. You can read all the agreement right here, and we click on I agree, and this is my Sketchup right here is 2020, and so I can select if I have more versions of Sketchup installed in my computer. I can select one of those, but since I have only this one, I will install it only for this one, and I will deactivate this Vray swarm, which means that this is used for distribute rendering, and also I will deselect Chaos Group Client 1.6 and go next. Okay, now I have to tell Vray if I have a license server, which type of license server, and if I have this license locally or remotely. So I have to get it remotely if I have it, or locally. Okay, I will select local, and then I will go to install it right now. Okay, and it's installing right now. Okay, so I just wait for a few minutes for the plugin to install. This won't take very long, shouldn't take more than 5 minutes, because this is a pretty light software. It is not an entire software, it's just a render engine. So while it installs, let's go what you can do. Let's go see what you can do. So basically with Vray you can create and assign materials to the Sketchup scene. You can create lights and illumination, so you can create a realistic lighting in your scene, and then you can use the render setup parameters to adjust the quality of your render. So the more realistic quality it will have, the more time it will take to render. And so basically this is the three things that Vray does to a Sketchup scene and to any other type of scene. Just to be precise, you can use Vray not only with Sketchup, but you have a range of products that you can use with Vray. So if we go to the official site again and we go to products, you can see that Vray is a plugin which is available for 3ds Max, Maya, Cinema 4D, and other software that you see here listed right here.